Hey guys, it's Damien from Marketing Food Online, and I am super excited about bringing this resource to you guys. If you are looking for food packaging or you need a creative artist to design the packaging for you, and I know a lot of our subscribers are startup food businesses as yourself, and you are starting from home, but you want to make your package look good, you want to get online, you want to sell your product to retail stores, it has to get the attention of the customers. And that is the first thing they'll see before they begin to even try your food product. So I wanted to bring you guys this economical way. You don't have to spend $1 million on having some professional company do this creation for you. There's a lot of wonderful artists and designers on Fiverr.com. And if you've never heard of Fiverr.com, it's actually a website. I've utilized them a little over a dozen times since I started my business. With our logo, there's several logos that we actually use for many of our products that I actually got done here on Fiverr. I've actually had a great experience with them. I have a couple of ebooks I wrote with my son, so I needed some animation done as well, and they did that too. But something that I wanted to bring to your attention, and this I had found out a couple of months back about this category, was actually food packaging. So most of you, I'm sure, are either chefs, or you love foods, or you're foodies, or you've got a food product idea, but I'm sure most of you are not graphic designers. I'm definitely not a graphic designer. I'm kind of creative, yes, but I'm not someone who can create a package like this, for instance, or this. So what do you do? Then where do you find someone who can help you with that? So let's say you've got a great idea for a spice company or an herb blend or some type of spice line, right? So you want to make it look as professional as possible. Your objective is to get into retail, maybe sell on Amazon, but you have to have eye-catching packaging in order for that to really work, okay? So that's where these designers come in. A lot of these young guys and young ladies are actually very, very talented. Many of them are design students even. They're in universities studying a degree in graphic design of some kind, but they can create these types of packaging for you. Okay, look at these this is absolutely amazing. And I'm really excited. The reason why I'm excited about this is the fact that I have several new products that I'm in the process of making. They are actually seasoned nuts. There's a line of nuts that we have. And I'm getting ready to get a couple of these guys, these artists, to come up with some really great ideas for me. So I thought to myself, man, that would be a great thing to bring to you guys, because I get so many questions about packaging, food labeling, food packaging and such, and how to make it look professional. So how does that work? So let me show you how Fiverr works. And by the way, really quick, I'll have a link down in the description. When you're watching the video, you want to take a look and pause the video, maybe even come over here to Fiverr. I'll have a link down below, and you can check that out for yourself and take a look at what they offer. This video actually is going to be one of 5. I'm going to do 5 different ones because there are a handful of there's logos that they can make for you. I'm going to talk about logos. There is also website design. So if you want to create your own food website, they have also people on here who can create those for you and work with you and create exactly what you need. So let me show you how this works. So you find a designer. Let me go back really quick. You find a designer on here, and here's what you want to look for. This is when I was doing business on here and I was trying to find someone. What you want to look for is relevancy. You want to look for the guys that have the highest, definitely have the highest feedback, okay? This one's created 28 different projects and received a 5-star for all of them. So let's just click on this one and I'll discuss it really quick. So the packages will start at a certain amount, okay? This one's a basic package, so it's $25. By the way, I recommend this also for the fact that when you're starting a food business, and I know how this is that you guys probably don't have a lot of extra money to put into a design, but you want something to look professional on the budget you have. Okay, so this is a great site to do that on, because a basic design, you're going to get one design for this price point, okay? And then you have the standard, which is $40, which is still extremely reasonable. You get 2 designs. That means you'll get 2 separate designs. And then they have a premium, which gives you 3 completely different designs for whatever product. So like the package here is some type of a dried fruit product, dried fruit bag. So you're going to get some different variations of that product that you can take a look at, okay? And again, $85, guys, is, my goodness, that's really ridiculously inexpensive, especially when you've got a guy who has 5 stars on all his reviews and actually has 62 62 transactions he's already conducted here on Fiverr. And of course, now, all of these vary. Some of them have hundreds of design or hundreds of reviews, and they're all 5 stars, or they're really high feedback. That's what you want to look for to begin with. And then what you want to look for is your budget. What are you looking for? Do you want someone to give you 3 different designs, 2, or maybe just 1? You can try out a handful of these guys, by the way. You can get this gentleman here, you contact him. And by the way, you just simply contact here, and you send him a correspondence. It comes right up, pops up on the screen. Okay? Right there, see? Pops right up. And it gives you average response times about an hour. So within an hour or so, he'll actually get back to you. The basic package, you get 1 design for $25, and this is all that you get with it, okay? So you get revisions, by the way. Revisions mean if you don't like it, say, hey, you know what? Can you just change the color on this, or maybe the font? I don't like the font style. Just change the font, and it's perfect. You can, with the basic one, this is really amazing, to get 5 revisions. It's a lot of revisions. This next one up is 7, and then when you get the $85, it's unlimited. So you have access to him. You know what? Can you just tweak this? Can you play with that? Can you change the color? This, guys, is a way to take your food product to a totally new professional level without having you go crazy trying to figure out where can I actually get this packaging design done. You don't have to go this alone, guys. You can contract out and literally freelance all of this stuff out for your food business and get it up and running for a fraction of what you would think. So this one here in particular is beef jerky. Okay, so this one has a lot of great images, and they specialize specifically in meat-styled products. So if you want to create a private label beef jerky line, this is a company you could go to, this designer, and you could simply contact her, say, look, I love the design of that. Can you replicate that? You know, see, this is the design. Okay, now keep in mind, now this is super important. What they're going to do is they're going to create the design for you. They're not creating the packaging. Okay, that's a separate, when you have a manufacturer do short runs printing of the product, what you're looking for is the design. So this is your design. So they're going to send you the design, and then from there you simply email that PDF design directly to whoever it is that's printing your bags. Okay, they're not the bag printer or the packaging itself. They're the design for the logo and how the bag looks. And it's very simple. You take if this was yours, you take it, you forward that over to the bag company or box, whoever's making it. From there, you are good to go. That's it. And a lot of times, by the way, the delivery, where is it? Here we go. Yes, delivery time, 2 days. Seriously? That's ridiculously fast. Okay. And you also have commercial use. You get the full licensing for the design. Okay, it's yours. You're done. Now, I want to show you one more. Okay, let me show you one more of these guys. Here we go. So maybe you're not into a bag. Maybe you're looking for an image to go on a box. Okay. Now, any of these images, in essence, could go on any surface. It doesn't matter if it's a cardboard box or it's a bag. You're just getting the design, okay? So again, here we go. This is the same design that you can, again, see how it could be utilized for a bag or a box, and you're good to go. Now, let me show you something really amazing here. Fiverr Pro. This is a selection. Okay, let me show you this. Pro Package Designs. They have on Fiverr has changed and evolved over the years. This is a website that's been around for a long time, but it's gotten much, much better over the past 3 to 4 years. Okay, these are professional designs that they've chosen. Now, don't get afraid of the prices, because I'm going to explain something to you. So these prices are from designers that have had huge feedback, positive feedbacks, or they've got professional designs that they offer at a much higher price point that are on a whole nother level. And here's what I'll explain what I mean by that. So for instance, this gentleman here, or this one here, this basic design, and this one's had over 51 designs from customers, all 5 stars, and has 4 orders right now that they're in the process of doing. So if you ordered this today, for instance, from this particular seller, you would go in the queue and you would be next one in line. Okay? And you also have to look, they have a 10-day delivery time frame. That's actually a good thing. Not the longer, but if you get one that is beyond 2 or 3 days, then you're getting a designer who has a lot of orders, and that's a good sign. And to tell you the truth, a lot of times when you're getting these package designs done, this is the premium, $800. You're investing in a design, in a look, in a brand. When you want to create your brand, What you're looking for is unique designs that are going to contribute to what your vision is. Whatever you want it to be, that's going to be the brand. When you start a food business, you're not really wanting to sell food and just call it a day. You want to create a brand, something that's lasting. So when you're looking at this and you go to the Pro section, when you go on here, you got to create your page. Go to the Pro services, and right here is where the little logo is. Click on the Pro service. And what you want to do is you want to ask these people, you want to ask the designer, hey, this is my vision. This is what I want to do for my food business. What exactly is this premium package going to have? You're obviously going to get 3 designs, so that means you get 3 different looks. It's a full product wrap. So this is, by the way, different. A full product wrap design is different than the one I just showed you in the beginning. And that's why these guys are the pro creators, because these creators create this type of look, which can be completely wrapped around a product to match the dimensions, the specification. It's not just some logo or something on the front. It's a complete design right off of the edge, right around the other side. It's a solid, very professional looking. You see the box? All sides of this is completely wrapped. So this is a whole nother level. This type of product can go right on the shelves at Whole Foods, grocery stores, anywhere, okay? So keep that in mind. This is a different type of design, but when you're paying like even the basic for $200, you're getting 2 different designs, but it's a full wrap product, commercial use and print ready. So this can go right to your printer to create your product. So just think that, keep that in mind when you're looking for a specific type of look on your package. If you want it to be just something that sticks out on the shelf, these are highly professional looking designs. Okay, so that's what you're going to get when you use this feature. And the great thing is it's got, like I said, you've got a longer turnaround time. They're going to take their time. They're going to come up with some amazing looks. You're going to get also 3 designs, for instance. And this is just one in particular, one designer. Okay, so we'll go back. So when it comes to package design, you actually have quite a few. You have all of these guys here. Plus, by the way, really quick, and I'll do a separate video on it, logos. They have pro logo design services too. And these are logos that are, again, they're going to make you stand out on a shelf when you're in the retail setting. So let me look at one more. Where is the other? This one here. Yes, I wanted to show you this one. So here you got, again, you get a wrapped design, right? But it's something that's even more of a this could be, of course, for bags or soft pouches of some kind if you're doing nuts and things. If you're doing a fashion line, of course, you guys are into food, but if you know someone who's doing fashion line, they can create these types of looks for you. And again, this one here is a jar completely wrapped, okay? So the basic is $350, and again, it's an investment, guys. You're putting money into this, and once it's said and done, then you're creating a brand, a look, a unique look. That's what these people do for you. You explain to them, they're going to have a questionnaire, and I'll tell you how this works. Once you order from them, they're going to send you a questionnaire. They want to pick your brain a little bit. They want to understand what it is that you're looking to do. What is your product? What colors do you like? And then from there, they're going to create that for you. So I was really, really excited. I wanted to show this to you guys because fiber has gotten considerably better over the years. And I personally have gotten, like I said, over a dozen, I think it's about 14 or so, different designs, and even characters for our little kids' books that me and my son have on our ebooks on Amazon. But take a look at this site, guys, and this is absolutely something that I'm really excited to bring you because it's completely affordable. And of course, if you go back to the homepage, they have even the more affordable priced packages as well. And let me see, there they are. Okay. So if you don't want to get $200 or $300 or $800 into it, that's fine. You could definitely get into getting something that's even lower priced, and within a $25, $50, maybe even just $100 price range. This right here is one of their best sellers, by the way. This gentleman here. Let me show you. Let me show you this here. So it starts at $5, $30, and then $200. And of course, see, this is what they do. They create that look for you, and they create an image that you can get put on a box, a bag, containers, whatever it may be. And again, it's a full product wrap. Okay. And you got a 1-day delivery time frame and 1 revision just for $5. The one that we got was around $15 and it worked perfectly. So take a look at the Fiverr. Like I said, down below, I'll have a link to the Fiverr website so you can click directly to this and you can take a look directly from that. All right, guys. So if you guys have any questions about this site or if you've ever worked with them, let us know. Like I said, I've dealt with them and I've had great experiences from it, and I definitely wanted to bring it to you guys. Take care.